everyone. Today, I will teach you on how to fasten the drawing paper to the drawing board and how to make a borderline. Are you ready? Okay, before we proceed, these are the drawing tools and materials needed. Drawing board, drawing paper, pencil, four strips of drafting tape. We have here foot rule, triangle, can be 30 by 60 by 90 degrees or 45 by 45 by 90 degrees. Okay, this time we're going to use 30 by 60 by 90 degrees. And of course, our T-square.
Okay, let's proceed to the proper use of T-square. Okay, first is you are going to place the head of the T-square against the working edge of the drawing board. Okay, like this. This is from the left side of your drawing table if you are right-handed, but if you are left-handed, on the right side. Okay, since I'm right-handed, I will place my T-square, the head of the T-square, on the left side. Okay, slide the working head of the T-square against the working edge of the drawing board. Okay, take note, the two edges should be constant contact until the desired position. Okay, next. This time we are going to proceed for the placing the drawing paper to the drawing board. Okay, how we're going to fasten. Okay, let us set first this T-square on the drawing board, then the working edge of your T-square must be parallel to the T-square. Okay, can be approximately on the center of your drawing board. Okay, let us try here. Okay, then let us check for the vertical edge if it is parallel or perpendicular. We're going to use the triangle. This is a 30 by 60 by 90 degrees triangle. Okay, that is accurately done. Okay, the edge of your drawing paper is perpendicular to your drawing paper. Okay. How about on this side? Let us check. Okay, they are perpendicular. Okay, next is, this time we're going to fasten your drawing paper using your drafting tape. Okay, this is the proper way of fastening your drawing paper to the drawing board. Okay, all corners must be secured. Okay, and the last one here. Okay, that is the proper way of fastening the drawing paper to your drawing board. Okay, did you get it? Okay, this time we're going to construct the borderline. Okay, when you say borderline, it is used to enclose your drawing. Okay, on the left side, we're going to need 2 centimeter. Okay, let's have here 2 centimeter. Then on the right side, 1 centimeter. On the upper portion, going to the lower portion, another 1 centimeter. Then on the lower portion, another 1 centimeter. Okay, let us now use our T-square and our triangle. Okay, all I have to do is you're going to slide. Okay, then slide, look for the markings here, then draw a horizontal line, then slide our T-square and look for the markings here. Okay, situate the working edge of the drawing board, and the head of your T-square must be tight or close contact. Look for the markings, then draw a horizontal line. Okay, do not move anymore your T-square. Use your triangle to draw the vertical line. This is our marking. Okay, all I have to do is you're going to slide your triangle, then look for the markings. Okay, this time draw the construction line of your vertical line. Okay, another here. All I have to do is you're going to slide. Okay, or you can reverse the triangle. Slide, look for, situate the working edge of the T-square and the side of your triangle. It should be close contact. Okay, then look for the markings, then draw a vertical line. Okay, next, from 1 centimeter going up, measure 3 centimeter. We're going to draw the title block. Okay, title block that is found on the lower portion, 3 centimeter. Then from 3 centimeter. From 3, measure 0.5, that is half of 1. In between 0 to 1, that is 0.5. Okay, 0.5. Then use the T-square. Okay, slide the T-square, look for the markings here, then draw a horizontal line, then another slide 4.5. Okay, next, for the first title block, from 0 to 6 centimeter, from 0 to 6, then make a markings here, 6. Next, another 6, then another 6, next another 6. Remaining space, you're going to divide it into 2 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 consecutive boxes measured 6 centimeter, and the remaining space divided into 2 equal parts. Okay, we have here 1 2 3 4 5 point 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 5.8 divided by 2. Okay, the half of 5 is 2.5. Then we have 0.8. That is half of 0.8 is 0.4. 0.1 2 3 4. Okay, this is the half, exactly the half. Okay, we're going to use our triangle and the T-square. Okay, position the T-square, then look for the markings. Use your triangle, look for the markings and draw vertical line. Slide your triangle, another vertical line. Slide again, look for the markings, draw vertical line. Slide again, then draw vertical line. Then the last one, okay, the last marking here. Okay, this is now our borderline. For block A, the first block, here you're going to write the word school. Inside the box, you're going to write Muntinlupa, the name of your school. Muntinlupa Business High School, Muntinlupa City. Okay, here on the second box for the title block, here write the word title. Whatever the title of your activity, you're going to write here. Okay, next, the third block, you're going to write here drawn by. Of course, you're going to write your name, year in section. For example, Juan de la Cruz, grade 7, Diamond. Okay, on the fourth block, you're going to write check by. Of course, the name of your teacher and technical drawing. Mrs. Freddie B. Miranda, teacher. Okay, on the second to the last box, or the fifth box, here you're going to write date. Okay, you're going to write date started, DS, then date finish. On the last box, you're going to write plate number, or you can use activity number, or you can use performance task number, then write the number. For example, activity number 1. Okay, since this is the border line among the alphabet of lines, that is the heaviest. Okay, this time we're going to make the heavier line. Okay, again, this our T-square. Slide the T-square, look for the horizontal line. We're going to make this line heavier. Okay, see to it, the head of the T-square is fit or contact with the working edge of your drawing board. Okay, you can use soft pencil to make your lines heavier. Okay, this is your final line. Okay, next, here you're going to start on the top, the next line here, another on the title block, then slide is the last horizontal line. Okay. Next is the vertical line. Okay. Let's make this heavier. Next, another here. All after this, we're going to slide the triangle, and the T-square is fixed. Do not move the T-square if you are going to make vertical line. Okay, next. Another here. And the last one. Okay, let us invert this triangle so that we can see the vertical line. Okay, then trace the heavier line. Okay, that's it. Okay, did you follow? You can erase the excess line for the construction line of your border line using your eraser. But if it is very light, no need to erase. Okay, did you get? Did you follow on how to construct the border line? Great job. I hope you follow and you learn on how to construct the border line.
I hope you learned from me today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell button for more updates and more upcoming video lessons. Bye, babies!